Okay, in episode 2 of rebuilding the bike for Romaniacs, I have a new skid plate and it is from AXP. Brand new in the back. Okay, here we have it. The AXP base plate for the CFMoto 450 MT, obviously. Some nice graphics on the side and the front, but I'm going for another color, so I'm going to scan this in and send them to my graphics guy. Not sure yet how it works, but this is the plate. And it is nice and small and it is very hard plastic. And in this video you can see what Duncan did with this exact same skid plate. It's very strong and sturdy. And if you compare it to what was on the bike, yeah. Quite the unit. And also very heavy, but mega strong. Now first, very quick, how I remove that thing, and then we continue to mount this one. Nice and brown. It's quite the annoying work to get the Rade plate off. It is easy to do, but you cannot reach the bolt. So. Okie dokie, the skid plate and the brackets that the Rade plate uses are off. And now I need to continue with the original brackets. These are the original brackets and the AXP skid plate uses these. Okay, the first thing to do is get rid of the brown exhaust headers and do a little bit of cleaning now that I can reach everything. I don't know how it works, but there is a manual. Cut the foam in pieces onto the top each side of the skid plate. 1 times the 30. Interesting. This is so mega easy. What you need to do is as following. You have this little thingy that goes behind here, like this. And then you have the smaller screw that taps into it. You also need to do something with foam. Cut it and stick it noise. You have this weird thing, the longest in the upper one and the smallest in the lower one. Not like this, the other way around. So the small one from the bottom to the top. Almost there already. Done. 6 steps. Place the plate under the bike and clip the rear bracket on the frame tube. So that's this weird thing. 2 alloy spacers, 8K30. So spacer 8K30. Don't need to forget that I have this link alloy protection. This little piece protects my rear shock. This is so much more lightweight compared to the Rade plate. Okay, then we have this. It goes like this. Okay, that was the most easy thing ever. It's already done. I already knew that it would be very easy to get it on and off. Maybe it's better to use a normal drill instead of an impact drill. Nice. Nice. With my package came 2 stickers, one on this side over here and one at the front. But why isn't there a sticker on the other side? I mean, you can put a sticker in on here, right? Nice. This is my place to bring some extra spare bolts with me. Pro tip from Jeffrey. I've used it one time already. And what I also like about the skid plate is I have like a million stickers from all kind of brands. Well, this only Motomaster, but I think I'm going to sticker it, everything. My YouTube logo is going to get off, the graphics, can put it over there. Maybe on the screen the Motomasters can get on. And some other stickers that I receive from my sponsors throughout this journey. Here, there. Yeah, I think the AXP is the best option for this bike. Alright guys, that was it for this video. I think it looks very nice. It's absolutely strong, sturdy, very lightweight, especially compared to the Rade Garage plate. That did its job very well. I know you guys want to see it. The Rade plate compared to this one. It took quite a beating. So yeah, it's good. But it's heavy. But on the Romaniacs I need the lightest setup ever. And good cooling. This does have a lot of holes in it and it's strong. It's AXP, it's very hard plastic. They proved themselves very well already on the market. I'm happy with it. On to the next video. Not sure yet, waiting for the comments. The last video just launched this morning, so see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.